Greetings, everyone. This is Elizabeth, and I'm super excited to announce a new crafty kit in my shop. It is priced for the class. It is a crafty kit class. I have a Halloween set that is still there. That is priced without the class because it's not going to make it there before Halloween. But if you want to check that out, that will be leaving the shop at the end of the month, the Halloween one, and I'll Frankenstein it and make something else with it. But right now, the fall card kit, well, crafty kit is in there, and it's not really a card kit because I'm not giving you card bases. I'm not giving you the envelopes or anything to actually make cards. Because I don't want you just to make cards with them. I want you to make like maybe a refrigerator magnet or a desktop element. Maybe a mantelpiece where you do everything like you're going to make a card, but then it turns into just something you put in a little easel and you set on your mantle. And then you can plop it away into a scrapbook or something. So I want these to be versatile. They are not designed to do just cards. I want you to get a little crafty. We had a lot of fun in the Halloween card or the Halloween crafty kit. Got to get that out of my mind. It's not a card kit, but I had a lot of fun. Everybody brought in some great ideas. I do got to figure out how to make the class a little bit shorter because it was a little too long last time. I want to keep them around 2 hours, but it doesn't cost any extra if we go over. So that's a bonus, and you're welcome to leave anytime. Unfortunately, the last class I messed up and it didn't get recorded, but between then and now, I figured out what I did wrong. And so if you purchase the class, you should get a link to the private video so only you and your other classmates can view the class. So you don't have to worry about being all over YouTube. It'll just be a private link. Now, these kits, there are 6 or 8 different sentiments. You only get one, so they're random. It could be Farm Fresh, Hello Autumn. I think one says Hello Fall, one says Blessed. So the sayings are different, okay? But you get one saying. You definitely get one pumpkin because I have an idea for the saying and the pumpkin for the class. Now, this is where it gets a little tricky. You either get 2 pumpkins or you get 2 leaves, okay? I wanted to be able to give you guys a variety, but I needed an extra shape and they didn't have another shape for me. So I doubled up on the leaf and the pumpkin on some because that's all I could find at the stores for you guys. So we've got the pumpkin with the saying. We've got an extra pumpkin or an extra leaf, depending. And then everybody gets the leaf, the apple, the, isn't it cute, the little acorn, and a cute little fox. Aren't they adorable? And then, like the last kit, we get some fibers to change up the hanging pieces. And, of course, those aren't here. What'd I do with those? Oh, nope, there's one. You will be getting, when I purchase these, I get like 6 or 8, 4, yeah, anywhere between 4 and 8 to a pack, depending on where I buy them. And they come with the hanging fibers. So I don't need a bazillion of these. So they're going in the kits. So you guys can hang them with that. Change it up. Whatever you need to do. Because we're trying to be crafty. And I thought... You guys, I'm such a dork. You get one set of fibers. But I thought I lost my fibers. So I cut them again. And they're right there. I'm so... Yay. You get ribbon. Some scrap pieces. This little piece, wait till you see what we do with this. It's going to be fabulous. If you purchase the kit, please don't work ahead. Don't color anything. Don't apply any of the paste because I am going to throw in a deco foil, a scoop of this and a scoop of this, okay? We'll have plenty of time for it to dry in class. because in this is a little sheet of foil, just one little piece of foil. Let me grab the roll real quick. It's sitting right here. You guys, this beautiful striation. This one is from H&H Supply. It is a toner foil, so you need adhesive to get it to stick. Hence why I'm sending a little scoop of this. I'm not scooping these until they are purchased. That way it's not sitting in the bag for too long. Halloween, I sent out the lunar paste, and you can see it's still pretty pliable. It shipped really well. Nobody had any complaints about popped open bags or anything, so that was really great. But a little piece of foil is in here, hopefully enough to do one whole project and maybe add some fun design to another. And then lots of beautiful patterned paper. Okay, all but one piece is going to be 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. Okay, and they're all fall themed. Okay, and they're variety. So my kits are pretty much the same, except for this piece here. It looks like, oh no, there it is there. So my kits are the same. And then the ones I packed up will have a little bit different these. But I've got 2 kits for myself because I've got 2 class days that you can pick from. So when you go into the shop, you're going to see 2 exact same things there. You're going to look at the date. That's the only thing that's different. You're going to pick the date you want to join the class, purchase that kit. I will mail it out as soon as the order is placed with your scoops of texture paste and duo gel to go out to you. Okay. Some supplies you may need. Alcohol markers, watercolor, what did we use last time? Inks, like these little inks. Okay. Blending brushes, foam daubers. Not everybody's going to do exactly the same. That's what I love about my class. So there's going to be variety. If you want to do, you know, your dog in purple, you'll have that option. I'm just going to show you some different techniques. You can follow along exactly, or, you know, not, and kind of veer off and do your own thing a little bit. But yeah, so I'm super excited, and I hope to see you in class. For those that took the Halloween class, they got a $5 coupon. So if you purchase a class, you'll get a $5 coupon for anything in the shop, even your next class. So that's my little thank you for hanging out with me and having a great class. And yeah, so I'm super excited for our next class. And again, go to chatwithsassy.com, click on each of them. In the description, it'll tell you what day and time the class is, and you pick the one you want. If you buy both kits, okay, you can attend both classes. I will send the link corresponding to the kit you purchased. If you want to join both classes, let me know. I'll get you a discount on this second one, okay? So, but both classes are going to be geared pretty much exactly the same. Same techniques, same. So, if you just want a spare kit to work on yourself, let me know. I do have a few of these left over. If you're interested, let me know. I might even put them in the shop, as I'm thinking of that, for 50 cents a piece. And then if you're buying the kit, I'll just toss them in there in your little kit. So yeah, I think I'll do that. I'll put whatever extras I have for like 50 cents in there. Alrighty. Well, thanks for hanging out with me. I hope I get to see you in class. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.